students, welcome back in our today's mathematics class. This is Hina Adhikari and students, today we are going to start a new exercise 11.3. So let's start the introduction, that what type of question will deal in this exercise. Okay, so let's start. First of all, in this exercise, do some question related to circle. Everyone know circle. From the center, when we make a circular shape, this is called a circle. And circle, two major parts are there. That is, one is radius, center till one end of the circle, and one is diameter from the center till two end point of the circle. Right? So, radius and diameter. Now student, as the name of this chapter, perimeter and area, we are doing the perimeter and area of respective figures. So student, what is the perimeter for a circle? First of all, the perimeter, in the case of circle, we usually say circumference. Circumference means the outer boundary of the circle. Right student? So perimeter will say circumference. So it means what is the circumference of circle? That is 2 pi r. Students, this is a new term for you. Circumference of circle is 2 pi r. What is 2? It is a number. What is pi? Pi is a constant term whose value is always 22 by 7 or 3.14. Means out of these two values, any one of the value you can put into, in the place of pi. And we used to use this 22 by 7. And what is r? R is called radius. So always the radius will be given to you into the equation. You need to find out circumference of circle. That you put the formula and values and get the answer. Right student? This is the circumference of circle. So what is area now? The area of a circle is pi r square. You need to learn these formulas. So write down these formulas before starting the exercise. Right? So pi r square. This pi is constant term. Value is this only. R square means, suppose if r value you have 4 centimeter. So r means 4 into 4. Right? Okay student. So area of a circle is pi r square. On the basis of these two terms, we will have some exercise questions. Now the third type that we have in this exercise, that is semicircle. What is semicircle student? This is semicircle. When we made this, semicircle means half of the circle. When I cut this circle, so this is a semicircle, down one is also semicircle, right? So what is perimeter for semicircle? And for this we usually say perimeter only, semicircle ke liye. So perimeter of semicircle is, see, perimeter total sum. What is total sum? What is this? This is diameter. Right? Why? Because this is center. From center only we will cut the circle. Right? From center only. So this full line is called diameter only. So this is diameter. So diameter plus, and what else? This circle. The full one is called 2 pi r. Right? The full is called 2 pi r. We know, no? Circumference means total circle, total perimeter. So total is 2 pi r. Now it's half to we talk about. So half means, semicircle means half. So 2 with cancel out with 2. So it means plus pi r. Right student? It is not a craving. It is coming with the logical term. How? It's a semicircle. Semicircle means circumference ka half. That is circumference ka half. So pi r. And one more part is there. That is this. This is called diameter. So diameter plus pi r is the perimeter for a semicircle. Right student? So these three things, these three concepts we'll study in this exercise 11.3. I hope student you understood these formulas. Learn it and write down it also. Okay, so let's quickly start now our exercise questions 11.3. Question number 1 we have, find the circumference of circle. So find the circumference of circle. So for that the formula is 2 pi r. It means pi value is given to you that you will use 22 upon 7. Students, most of the equation always it will be mentioned to you that which value you have to put. Okay, if it is not mentioned, then among these two values 22 upon 7 and 3.14, any value you can choose, right student? So, and A is 14 centimeter. It means this radius is given to you, right student? So directly you will do the solution. We know circumference of circle is 2 pi r. And directly put the value. Very simple student. 2 pi value given to you 22 upon 7 and r is 14 centimeter. So cutting 7 1s are 7, 7 2s are 14. So student 22 2s are 44, 44 2s are 88. So 88 centimeter is the circumference of the circle, means total perimeter. Right student? Now B part 28 millimeter. So directly, as we know, circumference of the circle is 2 pi r. Always you have to mention the formula. So 2 pi 22 upon 7 and r is 28 centi, not millimeter, sorry. 7 on the 7, 7 4s are 28. So 22 2s are 44, 44 4s are, you will multiply 4 16, 17. So 176 millimeter. That's it student. Very simple. Always you will have the equation on the basis of this only. Put the formula and put the values into it and get the answer. Right? So this is all about question number 1. One more part, C part is there. That will be homework for you. You will solve it by your own. So now coming to our next question. For question number 2 students, find the area of following circle. Now area you have to find out. So area you know circle pi r square. So r is radius. So radius is mentioned to you. So directly put the value. We know area of circle is pi r square. Right? And pi value again is given to you that you will use this one value. So that is 22 upon 7 into r is 14. So r square means 14 into 14 millimeter, and with this also millimeter. Right? Because area, so unit of area is unit square. That is why. Right student? So see, 7 1s are 7, 7 2s are 14. 22 2s are 44, 44 14s are 616 millimeter square. Because millimeter into millimeter, millimeter square. Right student? Very simple. Now coming to B part. Now in B part we have diameter. Means in one circle this full diameter is given to you. But in the formula you need radius. So what you will do? You will take out the value from this diameter. Because we know the radius is half of the diameter. Right? This full ka half is radius. Right? So see, D is 49. So 49 upon 2 meter. So what you will do? You will divide it 49. 2 1s are 2. 2 2s are 4. 2 4s are 8. 2 5s are 10. So it means 24.5 meter is the radius. Right student? Now put the value into the formula. We know area of circle is pi r square. Pi is 22 upon 7. R is 24.5 meter into 24.5 meter. So now student, calculation is there. So you will do the right calculation. First of all, 22 multiply 24.5. 24.5 you will multiply with 22. Whatever answer will come, that again you will multiply with 24.5. Then answer you will divide with 7. It's a lengthy calculation. right student, but you will do because question requires, right student. So after solving this equation, we get the answer 1886.5 and m into m is meter square. Student, in this question nothing we have just calculations only. So you have to do for that. Okay. So this is all about our question number 2. Very simple. Now coming to our next question. Question number 3 we have, if the circumference of a circular sheet is 154 meter. Circumference is given to you. It means perimeter is given to you, right? Find its radius. So same question student, if you have radius, you easily found the circumference. Now we have circumference, then easily we can find out the radius. And if you know the radius, then also find its area, because for area we definitely need the radius because pi r square. So r we found with the help of circumference, then easily we will find out the area. Very simple student. So let's start the solution. As we know, circumference of circle is 2 pi r. We know, and circumference value is given to you, that is 154 meter, and 2 pi value is given to you. You will use 22/7 and r we don't know. So as you know, the unknown value we need to find out. Rest term will shift that side with changing its sign. So see, 154 already was there. Okay, now 7 will divide. It will go in multiplication. They both are in multiplication with r. So they both will go in denominator. Right students, these are the basics. Always you will use as it is only. So 2 1s are 2, 2 7s are 14, 2 7s are 14. Right student. So 77 into 7 divide by 24. So 7 7s are 49, 4, 7 7s are 49, 53. So 53 upon 22, that is r. Now you will divide it, and after divide, the r value will be 24.5 meter, because this is in meter. So radius is 24.5 meter. We found the value. Again you have seen, it is just a calculation. Now the radius we know. According to question, you need to find out area also. So area is pi r square. So that is pi. R is 24.5 meter and 24.5 meter. And as you can see student, the calculation just same as we have in the question number 2. Right? So answer will be same only, 1886.5 meter square. Right student? So that's it. Whatever question is given to you, you need to find out by doing the calculation. That's it. So this is very simple question. Now coming to our next question. Question number 4 we have, a gardener wants to fence a circular garden. Students, the same type of question we have done in square or rectangular form. But now the shape is circular. Right? The circular garden is there and he wants to fence. So fence, you know student, outside he wants to fence, right? So whenever outside term is there, you will find out the perimeter, and for the circular, it is called circumference. Very simple student. So it means you will take out first of all circumference of that circle garden, right? Next line is whose diameter is given to you. This circular garden is there and you want to fence it, so you will take out the circumference. But if the circle is there, will be the value of radius. But in the place of radius, you have diameter. So what? You will take out the radius, that is d by 2. So d is 21. So 21 upon 2 meter. So this is the radius. Right student? Now next line is find the length of road. It means length means whatever will be the circumference, that will be the length of the road. And he wants to make it 2 round. It means this circular, suppose garden is there, 1 round and then 2 round. So what will be the circumference? That will be into 2, the total road length. Right student? Next line, also find the cost of the road. Obviously you will purchase some road and whatever the circumference of that circle, whatever rope you require, how much cost for that rope, that also you have to find out. This type of question many times you have done in your previous exercises as well in your previous class. Right students? So let's start the solution. What is the solution? As per the given term, we need to find out the circumference, total perimeter of circular garden. Right? So that is 2 pi r. Right? R we found. Fine. So 2 pi value is mentioned to you. You will use this one value, and r is 21/2 meter. Right student? Now you will cancel 2 to cancel. 7 1s are 7, 7 3s are 21. So answer is 66 meter. This is the circumference of the circle. Now you have to fence it 2 times. So this is the 1. So you will write the total length of rope of fencing. Yes, because 2 times he needs 2 round. So it means 2 into 66 meter. So that is 6 to 12. 6 to 12, 13. 132 meter is the total length of the rope. Right? Now also you will find out the cost. You have to find out the cost. So this much rope, how much cost you have to pay. And given to you rupees 4 per 1 meter, cost is rupees 4. So for this much rupees, how much it will be? You will multiply. So these are just basic things only, every time using in the questions. Right student? So you will write cost of 1 meter rope will be rupees 4, and the cost of 132 meter rope will be rupees 4 into 132 meter, that rupees 4 into 132. The answer is 4 2s are 8, 2 and then 5, 4 5. So it means 528 rupees is the total cost for the rope. Right student? So always the question we have in the same manner only. You have to be vigilant, stepwise solution. Circumference, then you have to take the round of 2 rounds of the rope. So total length of the rope and then cost of the rope. So always the stepwise solution you need to do. Right student? So this is all about question number 4. Now coming to our next question. Student, question number 5 we have, from a circular sheet, means you have a circular sheet of radius 4 centimeter. You know student sheet? So suppose you have a circular sheet, okay, and the radius is 4 centimeter. Right student? Whatever question is given to you, frame a question rough or you frame a question in your mind so that it will be easy for you to solve the question. Right? A circle of radius 3 centimeter is removed from that sheet. It means from this sheet, one circle from the center only, one circle whose radius is given to you 3 centimeter is removed. Means you cut. Suppose one circular sheet is there and you cut this one small circle, right, from it. Now find the area of remaining sheet. Means whatever this sheet is remain, that you need to find out. Are you getting question student? And simple is asking area. Obviously inside term, circle की inside की बात की, so always inside means area only, right? So how you will find out the area of remaining sheet? Think logically. This is a sheet and उसमें से some part you removed. So जो भी बचा हुआ है, remaining part है, what will be the area for that? Obvious है, the area of circular sheet and the area of the removed one sheet. When we will minus both the sheets area, then we get the area of remaining sheet. Yes or no? Total length is 10 centimeter. If you have used 3 centimeter, what is the length for remaining? So the same manner, what is the area for remaining? Area of outer sheet, area of inner sheet. You will subtract, you will get the remaining sheet. See, logically every question step is same only, but the question formation is different. And this only you need to understand. Right student? So let's take out, and both the area circle we have radius. So for outer circle I am taking capital R, and for the inner radius I am taking small r. Fine student? So let's start the solution. So directly I am going to write that area of remaining sheet. Area of remaining sheet is equals to area of outer circle, right? Area of, here you can see area of circular sheet minus area of removed sheet, yeah, removed circle. Your choice, student. We want just calculation, we just want solutions, that's it. Whatever you have it doesn't matter. So area of circular sheet, area, you know, area of circle is pi r square, so that will be pi r square, capital R, because circular sheet, for outer circular sheet I took capital R, and removed circle is also pi r square. Area will remain same because it is a circle, so area of circle will not change, right student? Now see, pi and pi is common. Can I take one time only outside the bracket? What remain? R square minus R square, like 2 into L plus breadth. So the same manner I can do. So these are the basic, always we can change anywhere, always we can use anywhere, right student? Now pi, here I am solving. Pi, capital R value is radius circular sheet 4 centimeter. So capital R is 4 centimeter means 4 ka square, minus small r is 3 centimeter means 3 ka square. Now centimeter, 1 centimeter, 1 centimeter ka square. And secondly, it is area, so 6 unit square, right student? Now pi, 4 4s are 16, 3 3s are 9. So 16 minus 9 is 7, right student? But we want area of remaining sheet, pi value is given to you. Now here is given 3.14. So you put the values, 3.14 into 7 centimeter square. So you will multiply it. After multiply it, 314 into 7, 7 4s are 28, 7 7, 8, 9, 21. And after 2 digit, you will put a decimal. So 21.98 centimeter square. So it means this much area is for the remaining sheet. Got student? What we have done? We have subtract area of outer sheet minus area of inner sheet. That's it. And this is the calculation part only. Right student? So this is all about question number 5. Now coming to our question number 6. And question number 6 student is homework for you, because this question is same as we have done question number 4, cost 1. Right? So this question is homework for you. You will try it by your own. Right? Now coming to our question number 7. Question number 7 we have, find the perimeter of the figure, which is a semicircle, as you can see. Now when you will see the semicircle and asking the perimeter of semicircle, directly learn the formula. Semicircle perimeter is diameter plus pi r, because perimeter means total length. So this length plus this length, and this is semicircle, full ka 2 pi r and half ka pi r. Right student? Very simple. Now next line is including its diameter. Obviously perimeter we will include the diameter also. Right? So let's start. As we know, the perimeter of semicircle is what? Pi r plus d. That d is diameter. So student, diameter is given to you 10 centimeter. That is 10 centimeter. And pi, r we don't know. So r how we will find out? With the help of this diameter, because we know radius is half of diameter. So it means 10 by 2, 5 centimeter. Right? So r is 5 centimeter. Right student? So in this question, the pi value is not mentioned to you, is not given to you. So you will choose any of the value by your own. So basically we usually used to take the value 22 upon 7. So pi value 22 by 7 into 5 plus 10 centimeter. Right student? Now it will not cut only. So 5 2s are 10, 5 2s are 10 and 1 11. 110 7 plus 10 centimeter. And as you can see student, here is a plus. So there is no denominator same. Again see, the basic term came. You will take the LCM. So when you will take LCM, LCM will be 7. So 7 ones are 7, 1 is 10 only, plus 7 ones are 7. So 7 tens are 70 centimeter. So the answer is 110 plus 70 is 180 upon 7 centimeter. That's it, student. Now you will divide it. When you will divide it, 7 twos are 14 to 5.71 centimeter. It means this is the perimeter for this circle. Have you seen, student, what we have done? Nothing. We just put the formula and then calculations are there. Nothing else. And no new thing has come in this question. Everything we have already done. LCM we know. Putting the values we know. Formula we have learned. Right, student? So the questions are very simple. You just understand the question what is asking. That's it. Okay, so this is all about our question number 7. Now coming to our next question. Coming to our question number 8, student. Find the cost of polishing a circular top. Means one circular top. Something is there and a figure is there and there is some circular top and you need to polish. You need to paint. Okay, and you will paint here only. It means what you will find out? Area or perimeter? Inside. It means you will find area of circle because the top is in circular shape, right, student? So area of circle you know, pi r square. Whenever you will have the equation, understand it, frame a question, then start the solution, right? Next is of diameter 1.6 meter, pi r square, and but radius, instead of radius you have diameter. So what? You will easily find out the radius because diameter is 1.6, so radius will be 1.6 by 2, right? 2 8s are 16, but this means 0.8 will be the radius or 1.6 by 2, your choice, right? And rate is given to you. Cost because you have to find out, so rate is given to you rupees 15 per meter square. It means 1 meter square, 1 meter square area for पॉलिश करने की कॉस्ट है ₹15. सो व्हाट एवर द टोटल एरिया दैट विल बी 15 into that. This thing to everyone knows, right, student? Now pi value is given to you that you will use 3.14. Very easy. Start the solution. What you will do? The radius of circular top will be 1.6 by 2 meter, right, student? And it is asking cost. So first of all you will take out the area. So area of circular top is pi r square. So pi value is 3.14 into 1.6 into 1.6 by 2 by 2 means, right, student? R square means this value 2 times. Okay, so after solving this, 2 8s are 16 means 0.8, 2 8s are 16 means 0.8. Okay, so after solving it, 3.14 into 0.8 into 0.8, so you will get 2.0096 and this is meter square. So this is the area of this circular top. Now you will find out the cost. So this into 15 because 1 meter square for 15. So for this much meter square will be multiplied. Cost for 2.0096 meter square polishing. Whatever wording you will add, your choice, student. We want this answer, that is rupees 15 into 2.0096. So after solving this, we get the answer. Answer will be, it is after decimal 3 digits are there. So we used to say 1 for approx. Your choice, because after decimal we usually say 2 digit or 3 digit only we will take. So it means this much approximately cost for the polishing, this much area. Right, student? See, again the same type of question, just the values are different. Okay, so this was question number 8. Now coming to our next question. Now student, coming to our question number 9, and as you can see, question number 9, it's very lengthy question, but you need to underline that what you need to find out. That's it. See, question number 9. Shazli took a wire of length 44 centimeters. She took a wire, length is given to you, and bent it into the shape of a circle. That wire she bent into a circular shape. Right, student? Find the radius and also its area. Means the radius of a circle and also the area of this circle. Right? If the same wire bent into the shape of square. Now the same wire again she bent into the square. Right? What is the length of each side of the square? And at the last you have to tell which figure enclose more area. Circle enclose more area or the square enclose more area. It means in both the cases at the last you will find out the area because you have to compare. Right, student? It means, and in this whole equation you have only one thing, that is length. Total length of the wire. And this total length is called perimeter. And that wire bent into the circle. So this total length will not change. So this is called circumference in the case of circle. So yes, let's start the solution. As we know, the circumference of circle is 2 pi r. Right, student? So 2 pi value is given to you 22 by 7 and r. What is r? R we don't know. And the circumference we know that is 44 centimeter. Total length we know, radius we don't know, right? So easily we found the value for radius. So 44 into 7 divided by 44 because 22 into 2, 44. So directly, see student, if you know the basics, so easily you will solve the question. So 44 cancel out with 44. So the r value is 7 centimeter. Radius we found. Now with the help of radius, we will find the area of circle. So what is area? Area we know pi r square. So that is pi 22 upon 7. R is 7 into 7. 7 cancel out with 7 centimeter square. Right, student? So 22 into 7 is 7 2s are 14, 14, 15. 154 centimeter square is the area for this circle. Fine. This type of question already we had done. Now coming to the next part. Now this same length of wire converted into the square. If converted into the square, the total length will not change. Means perimeter of square will not change. Right? So let's start. For the square, we know perimeter of square is, what is perimeter of square, student? 4 into side, sum of all side. And perimeter we know, total length we know 44 centimeter. And 4 into side. Side we need to find out. It's asking no length of each side. If one side is given to you, if one side you will find out, it will be side for all the 4 sides because square having same side, right? So 44 centimeter upon 4. So you will divide it. So side value is 11 centimeter. Now this is the side, right? Length of each side. Now area is, we have to compare the area. So area also we will find out for square. So area of square is side into side. See student, everything is same only. Everything you know. But the question become lengthy. So what beta? You will solve it step by step. Side to side. 11 into 11 centimeter square. So 11 11s are 121 centimeter square. So this is the area of square. This is the area of circle. Which figure enclose more area? Circle enclose more area. That's it. So you will write down at the last. Therefore, circle encloses more area. See student, question is very simple only. Lengthy it was, but solution is very simple. That's it. You have to understand only at the question, right? So this is all about our question number 9. So with this question we are end up today's one video, because in this exercise we have 17 questions. So it become too lengthy for you student. So I am making two parts for this exercise. Part 1 till 1 to 9 question and part 2 10 to 17 question. Right student? I hope you understood today's topic. Questions are very simple. Only calculations are there. You have to learn the formulas. That's it. Okay? So do the questions very nicely. Practice the question very nicely. So till then, thank you so much for watching students. Bye bye and take care.